What's up, guys? Good morning, man. Good morning. I hope you guys are having a great morning. I'm here in the Woodlands, Texas. We're getting ready to getting some guys out there, getting ready to put them on a flyer campaign. Hired about 6 guys today to go out there and pass out some flyers for us. And I want to talk to you today about this flyer situation because here's what I want to tell you guys. If you want to get jobs right away, flyers are the way to go. You're gonna have a lot of people. Let me tell you this first of all. For you new guys that are just starting, here's the problem. You'll get some people like me telling you what doesn't work, what does work. And I learned a huge lesson here just last few weeks. I'm talking to somebody, and I know better than to do this anymore. I stopped telling people what works, what doesn't work. I'm helping a guy out with their marketing, and we're talking about marketing, and he's like, "Hey, man, I need your help." And I said, what is it that you do already? And he starts to go down the list of everything that he does marketing-wise. And one of the things that he was doing is newspaper ads. And I made the remark, oh, newspaper ads don't work. And he's like, dude, what are you talking about? I said, you got to scrap it. He's like, man, I pay $200 and I get $1,200 out of it like clockwork every single month. And I'm like, holy cow, I have to stop telling people what works and what doesn't work. And the same thing with these flyers, guys. You guys out there, man, that are passing out flyers, you're going to have people telling you all the time, what's up, Michael? What's up, Jeff? You're going to have people all the time telling you what works, what doesn't work. They're going to tell you, oh, man, flyers don't work. Oh, EDDM doesn't work. Oh, 5-arounds don't work. They're going to tell you all this stuff that doesn't work. Well, in the meantime, we're passing out 10,000 flyers here in the next couple weeks. And out of that 10,000 flyers, we are forecasting $17,500 will come from that 10,000 flyers. I know that we'll get that. I think we'll get more than that. But here's what I want to tell you guys. I want to talk about this flyer situation because some of you guys are like, man, I need a job and I need jobs today. If you need jobs right away, guys, flyers are the way to go. Don't go after $1 million homes with flyers, and don't go after the cheap homes for flyers. Our target market for these flyers is about 3,000 to 5,000 square foot homes. Here in Houston, Texas, an average home has about 10 windows per 1,000 square feet. So a 3,000 square foot home is going to have around 30 windows. So the idea, this is an impulse buy, guys. This is an impulse buy. In Love My Windows, we have 2 different types of customers. We have our direct customer and our indirect customer. You can call them whatever you want. Direct customers are looking for you. They're Googling it. They're window cleaners, and they're Googling it. So if they're looking for you, they're looking for 3 other companies. Flyers, on the other hand, this is an impulse buy, right? You get this on your door, and you say, window cleaning. You look at the window above the front door, and you say, oh, my window's dirty. I never even knew my windows were dirty. I never even knew there was a window cleaning company out there. I'm calling them. I'm getting an estimate. And then, boom, you got a job, guys. So flyers, if you're looking to have jobs going out, I need jobs this week. I need jobs next week. Flyers are the way to go, guys. I'm not saying don't do EDDM. Do tons of EDDM. Do tons of flyering. But for some of you guys out there, man, stop telling people what works and what doesn't work. Man, I'm telling you, man, I stopped saying it I stopped telling people. When I told that guy newspaper ads doesn't work, and he goes, man, I spend $200 and I make $1,200 every single month off of it. It blew my mind. Keep doing it then, dude. Don't let me tell you what works and what doesn't work. Flyers work, guys. They work. They work. It's an impulse buy. These are for people that have never even thought of window cleaning before. They never even knew a window cleaning company exists. If you want to know how I forecasted it, go watch our other video. We have a video called Marketing and Forecasting Your Marketing. It's a pretty cool little formula, guys. You can apply it to just about anything you do in marketing. And that's right, Michael. You got to experiment and you got to track, guys. You have to figure it out. But here's the good news is a lot of us, like Michael, me and a lot of other people, we've kind of already figured out what works, what doesn't work. And what works in Texas may not work in Maryland. What works up north doesn't work down south. Guys, what works here in the Woodlands doesn't necessarily work in Katy. I mean, you have to experiment. You have to try it out. But if you're looking for work right away, guys, get with these flyers. I'm not going to take too much more of y'all's time, man. Y'all have a great day. Get with the flyers. If you need flyers, get with Mr. Tim Fields. I do not make any money by endorsing Tim, but you know what? The dude's a freaking awesome guy, man. He'll give you quality work. he'll make it look freaking amazing, dude, like better than anybody else out there. So get with Tim, tell him, hey, look, dude, I need flyers. And if stop worrying about budget, guys. I'm not saying don't worry about money, but go to Tim and tell him, like, look, dude, I only have this much to spend, and Tim will put you on the right track, man. He'll get you going. So hey guys, get on the flyers. It's fall. If you're barely getting started right now, you're already behind schedule. You know, we're already talking about January and February. Guys, we're already almost in the fourth quarter. You need to be thinking about 2017 already. So with that being said, guys, y'all have a great day. Enjoy it, make a ton of money, and get after it.